Hey everyone, it's DGM Creations and let's talk crypto because things are about to get really interesting. Welcome to our deep dive into the future of cryptocurrency. Today we're exploring the most impactful trends shaping the digital asset landscape. Whether you're an enthusiast or an investor, staying ahead of these trends is crucial. So many people are still sleeping on crypto, but I'm going to break down why that's a mistake and why you need to be paying attention right now. So hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, we're talking about potentially life-changing returns and a complete shift in how we think about finance. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in. Now, you might be thinking, Eric, hasn't Wall Street already dipped their toes into crypto? And you'd be right, but what we've seen so far is just the tip of the iceberg. Institutions have been gradually integrating cryptocurrencies into their portfolios, marking a shift in the way digital assets are perceived. But in 2025 and beyond, expect more financial institutions, including those massive hedge funds and mutual funds, to adopt cryptocurrencies as part of diversified investment strategies. Think about it. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy have already set the precedent by holding Bitcoin on their balance sheets. This isn't some small fringe movement anymore. It's the big players realizing the potential of digital assets. This trend signifies growing confidence in cryptocurrencies as a legitimate store of value and medium of exchange, paving the way for broader market stability and liquidity. We're talking about trillions of dollars potentially flowing into the crypto market, and that's going to send prices through the roof. Okay, let's talk about something that sounds super complex, but is actually pretty straightforward. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. I know what you're thinking. Eric, more acronyms? But trust me, this one is important. Basically, governments worldwide are racing to develop their own digital currencies. These government-backed digital currencies aim to enhance financial inclusion and streamline monetary policies. China is already ahead of the game with its digital yuan, while countries like the US, India, and members of the European Union are exploring their own versions. This isn't some sci-fi concept, it's happening right now. CBDCs are expected to coexist with decentralized cryptocurrencies, providing a bridge between traditional finance and blockchain technology. Imagine a world where you can send money internationally with lightning-fast speeds and minimal fees. That's the potential of CBDCs, and it's going to be a game changer. Now let's talk about two of the biggest buzzwords in tech today, AI and blockchain. What happens when you combine them? You get a recipe for some serious disruption. We're talking about the integration of artificial intelligence with blockchain technology, and it's going to revolutionize multiple sectors. Imagine AI algorithms constantly analyzing market data, identifying patterns and executing trades with incredible precision. That's the power of AI in crypto trading, but it goes beyond just trading. AI can enhance security, optimize transaction efficiency, and provide predictive analytics for the entire crypto ecosystem. Blockchain, in turn, can improve data integrity and ensure transparency in AI-driven systems. This synergy is particularly evident in projects leveraging AI to refine decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, introducing a new era of intelligent automated financial services. Remember when everyone was going crazy over NFTs? Well, that was just the beginning. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, remain a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. While the initial hype centered on digital art, the future of NFTs points toward broader applications. We're talking about tokenized real estate, where you can own a piece of property represented as an NFT. We're talking about intellectual property being secured and monetized using NFTs. And we're talking about digital identities stored on the blockchain, giving you complete control over your personal data. With major brands like Nike, Gucci, and Disney venturing into NFTs, the concept of digital ownership is set to transform industries, creating new revenue streams and innovative ways to engage with audiences. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: regulation. I know nobody likes talking about rules and regulations, but in the world of crypto, it's essential for mainstream adoption. The good news is that governments are finally starting to understand the importance of clear and comprehensive crypto regulations. As the cryptocurrency market grows, governments are implementing more comprehensive regulations, to address concerns related to fraud, money laundering, and investor protection. While these frameworks may initially appear restrictive, they aim to bring greater legitimacy to the sector. Countries with progressive crypto regulations like Switzerland and Singapore are likely to become global hubs for blockchain innovation, attracting businesses and fostering healthy competition. One of the biggest criticisms of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, has been their environmental impact. But here's the thing. The crypto community has heard those concerns loud and clear, and we're seeing a huge push towards sustainability. The environmental impact of cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, has been a controversial topic. In response, many blockchain networks are transitioning to energy-efficient consensus mechanisms like proof of stake or POS. This means less energy consumption and a smaller carbon footprint. We're also seeing the rise of eco-friendly cryptos like Chia and Cardano, which are designed from the ground up to be environmentally friendly. This trend not only addresses environmental concerns, but also appeals to investors prioritizing environmental, social, and governance criteria. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is all about cutting out the middleman and giving you more control over your money. It's been one of the most exciting developments in the crypto space, and it's only going to get bigger. Decentralized finance continues to disrupt traditional banking by offering alternatives to loans, savings, and investments without intermediaries. Innovations like decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, and algorithmic stablecoins are shaping the next generation of financial products. As DeFi platforms mature, they are likely to attract more users, ranging from retail investors to large institutions, enhancing their accessibility and functionality. The Metaverse is the next evolution of the internet, a persistent, shared, three-dimensional virtual world where we can interact with each other, work, play games, and even own digital assets. And guess what? Crypto is going to be a huge part of it. The Metaverse, a virtual world where users can interact, work, and play, is emerging as a lucrative opportunity for cryptocurrencies. Native tokens for Metaverse projects like Decentraland, also known as Mana, and the Sandbox, or Sand, are gaining popularity. These tokens facilitate transactions within virtual worlds and serve as a backbone for new digital economies. As more companies invest in metaverse projects, the demand for related cryptocurrencies is expected to rise, creating new avenues for growth. So there you have it, the top 8 crypto trends to watch in 2025. The future of cryptocurrency is filled with exciting opportunities and transformative changes. From institutional adoption and regulatory clarity to innovations in DeFi and the Metaverse, the sector promises significant evolution in the coming years. Stay informed about these trends to make strategic investment decisions and understand the broader impact of blockchain technology. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in crypto.